Hi, I am Madhurima. So you must be wondering where I am. So today it's 12th of November and last day in Darjeeling. I am in Darjeeling. So why I am doing the video? It's because I am going to share my tour, the Darjeeling plan. There are so many plans, but my plan was little bit different. Like, let me tell you something that whenever you are planning for a tour, you must be flexible enough to change the tour plan if necessary, because due to our health problem we did some changes. First of all, we planned for the November tour for 8th November, and we did all the planning and booking in July. So for first, our plan was we will stay in Tinchule Rai Resort. We did the booking um, on July. So for with 1,000 rupees we had to do the booking for Rai Resort Tinchule, and our plan was 9th November we will reach to NGP, and then we will go to we will stay in Rai Resort on 9th. We will do the Tinchule sightseeing, and after that on 10th of November we will reach to Darjeeling. But due to our health problem, I had a problem in ligament, and then my mom had a problem in knee. So we changed the plan end of October. So we are staying in Revolver Hotel Darjeeling. You will get all the details over there, and the main thing is that we had to stay in Revolver Hotel for entire tour. We cancelled the Tinchule, and it's quite cold. So what I was saying, so our plan is like, so what I am saying, our plan was little bit different. What I did that 8th of November, and one more thing, I booked all my taxi and cab from the hotel itself. The hotel provided me the driver's name and phone number. So I am not providing the rate of the car because it can differ. I mean, if there is a festival season, there will be some other charges, and if you are taking car from hotel, that will be the other charges. But definitely I'll share the driver's number end of the video, so that you can get all the information. You can directly contact them. And our tour plan was we had to change a bit, as I said. First we came here in Darjeeling 9th of November. We get down at NGP station. From there we went to Darjeeling via Mirik, and the driver Manikji was very nice. He told me that if I'll go to Pashupati market, from there I have to take a cab. It will take around 500 to 600, but we cannot buy anything from Pashupati market. So that is the reason we dropped the idea. So what I did over there, we visit the Gopaldhara tea estate, which was very nice, and then we had a view point, Shimana viewpoint. We went there, and from there we came to Darjeeling, and that day on 9th of November we stayed in Darjeeling, and we had the view of this Darjeeling Mall, which is changed right now. You can say you can see there jogging, the kids are jogging over here. So anyway, and 9th we took the rest, and we went to Mohakal, and in Mohakal we had the lunch because my father wanted to have Bengali lunch. So we had in Mohakal restaurant, it's just opposite of Caventer's. So we had the lunch over there, and then we went to Mall and we had a visit, and then we went back to Revolver Hotel and we had a dinner over there. And 10th of November we had that Tinchule Lamhata Tagda day tour. So Tinchule, when we are going to Tinchule, we saw that Rai Resort over there, and then I thought, it's my opinion, because if we stay over there it will be a problem for us, because we are not that well. So there is no medicine shop or nothing, so it will be it won't be a good stay for us. So from Tinchule we visit the Tinchule, we saw that Rai Resort. It was really very nice, the homestay. And then we went to Chota Mangwa, but unfortunately there was a basketball tournament, so we cannot go to Chota Mangwa because the road was blocked. They are playing on the road. And then we went to Bara Mangwa, Orange Garden. It's same, almost same. So we had oranges. Entry fee was 50 rupees, and my mother, she cannot go down to the garden because it's a steep walk. I went there with my father, and then we had the visit of Tista Rangit. I get down in the river. It was really very cold water, and then we went to that lovers point, Triveni Sangam, what they say. And then I went to Lamhata. One more thing I must say, that Lamhata Eco Park is very nice, but go to that sacred pond, it's not easy. You need fitness and you need the guidance. My dad used to do trekking, so he knows how to go there, but it was really very tough. My dad is 70 years, but he is so much fit. Even I'm not that fit. So with his guidance, I went there, and very few people go there to the pond. So it's 750 meter, and it took around for up and down it took 45 minutes. And that is like if you don't have that fitness, and I will rather suggest not to go there. You can visit the park. It's 15 rupees entry fee. So but you shouldn't try that steep walk. It is very high, and you cannot hold anything over there. And whenever you are going down, you will have a lot of pressure on your knees. So it is tough for normal person who is not that much fit. So from Lamhata we came back to Darjeeling that day, and we cannot go to the mall because it was already 5 o'clock and it's quite cold. In November it was really very cold. And yesterday we had we went for the ropeway ride. The ropeway ride is 260 rupees per head for the adult, and for the kids it's 130 rupees. You have to reach there within 8 or 8:30 because there will be a long queue, and you can have then after that you can have the momo over there. Just beside the entry gate there is a lady. She is selling momo, veg and chicken momo. I had that chicken momo. It's 80 rupees. Very nice. And my dad also had that momo. He doesn't love, but he likes that. So we had the ropeway ride. From ropeway we went to Happy Valley. I will suggest Happy Valley. It's better go to the early morning. So in Happy Valley we had a factory tour. 100 rupees was the entry fee, and I bought a tea from there, tea bag. And yes, from the ropeway ride there are so many small shops. There is Nath Mall and Golden Tea in Darjeeling, but the teas are very expensive. Everybody cannot afford that. So if you want to try the local Darjeeling tea, that is not exactly the original Darjeeling tea because the price you can see, but you can have that. From the ropeway ride there are entry gate, there are so many small stalls over there. I got some tea, green tea and milk tea over there, the tea leaves. I got it from there. And from ropeway we went to Happy Valley, and after that Happy Valley, just in front of the zoo, Darjeeling Zoo, there is a small restaurant, Reeves restaurant. So we had the chicken thali over there. It was only 130 rupees, and 2 thali is enough for 3 of us. From there we went for a joyride. We had that Vistadome joyride. It's a memorable journey, I must say. I will remember this journey definitely. They will stop in Batashia Loop for 10 minutes and then 25 minutes in Ghum. So in within 10 minutes you can have this, you can try the local dress and you can click the photographs over there. And from there we came back to our hotel, and then we went to the mall, and we had some shopping. So after that it's 12th, and this is the last day. We are supposed to go to Lepcha Jagot and zoo and some more sightseeing, but we cannot do that. As I said, that you have to be very flexible to change the plan. We are not going over there because we want to stay more time in Mal. So we will go to Lepcha Jagat. And the driver I was talking about, so I am giving you the numbers. You can directly contact them. Rajesh ji, he is the main person that is provided by the hotel. I called them in July, and then he was guiding me where we can go, which area is closed. All the three drivers are very nice. Sumanji, I must tell about Sumanji. He is like a tour guide. He's very nice. Like, he will give all many information, and they are all smiley faces. They will answer all of your questions. So for this tour, you can call Rajesh ji. His number is 7430963999. If you contact Rajesh ji, he will give, he can provide you drivers and car. And Manik Mohanto, he is from NGP. I saw that so many people knows him when we are passing by. He is a senior person as well. He speaks Bengali. Rajesh ji also speaks Bengali. Manik Mohanto, his number is 8617 860811. And then Sumanji, he gave that tour of Tagda, Tinchule, Lamhata. He's a very good driver, I must say, because he was driving in that steep area. It's not easy. So his number is 70011252694. So you can contact all the driver. Though I had Rajesh's number from the hotel, but they also provide car from other tourists as well. So this is our tour, and we make it short, because if Chota Mangwa we did not visit, as I said, the road was blocked, and when I visit Baramangwa, I saw that okay, this is almost same. So for me there is no need to visit Chota Mangwa as well. Then we did not go for the 7.3.2 details. Because already we came here in 2011, and that time we had few things already. We did the sightseeing. Zoo we cannot go because lack of time. We are planning. One more thing I must say about the Hotel Revolver. It's very nice. The staffs are nice, and they are very nice. I showed all the video over there. But if you have a knee problem, and if you don't want to stay far from the mall, avoid that, because you have to walk at least 8 minutes. So in that case, if you want to stay just beside the mall, you can stay at Mohakal, Hotel Chanakya. Mohakal and Chanakya is very nice. Mohakal is just opposite of Caventers. Hotel Chanakya just beside it, and there is Mohan Eateries for a Nepali thali apart from Caventers. So you can see that I shared some food joints nobody knows actually. So this is our tour, and this is our last day of tour, and 13th we are going back to Kolkata. We have train from NGP. So what we have a plan that when we are going to NGP, I will visit the Old Ghum Monastery, and then Peace Pagoda and Japanese temple, and just we will go to NGP. So this is our tour, and I think you will enjoy the tour. And I did not do any edit in my videos because I wanted to show everybody the way I was seeing the I'm not putting any music, I'm not editing anything, because this is the way actually Darjeeling I wanted to show to my folks, my friends and my relatives over there. So you can see that how exactly Darjeeling tour I had. So this is it, and I think you will enjoy Darjeeling. So this is 13th of November, and we are leaving Darjeeling. I have my train around 3:45 p.m. from NGP. We have to leave Darjeeling within 10:30. As I said, we have to change plan according to our situation. So yesterday we went to first we went to Glenaries. From the mall we went to Glenaries, had some cream roll. This is very different from Kolkata. And then the Glenaries breakfast start around 8:30, so we don't have that much of time. I always wanted to have breakfast in Caventers. Cave enters open around 8 a.m. So you have to go there within 7:30 or 7:45. Otherwise, there will be a very long queue. So we reached there around 7:45, and at 8:15 they served us the breakfast. I don't have that famous entire pork platter because my mom and dad, they don't like pork. So I had that bacon and egg fried, that is what. And from there we went to Lepcha Jagot. Lepcha Jagot, there is a pine forest. It's a very nice view, and the temperature dropped down so frequently. It's really chilled. And from Lepcha Jagot we came back to Darjeeling. It will take within 1 hour, but we faced a traffic jam yesterday, so it took around 1.5 hours to reach Darjeeling from Lepcha Jagat. And after that, I went to Kunga restaurant. It's around 1 p.m. So I had that mixed bhak thuk, the handmade rolled noodle, and my parents, they had that normal fried rice and garlic chicken. And after that we went to Mal. We are supposed to go to Mohakal with my father, but we had the health issues, some stomach upset, you can say. The reason is Lepcha Jagat is very cold, and then we came to Darjeeling, it was not that cold. So that is a weather imbalance. It was not a serious thing, but from Mal we came back to this Revolver hotel, and around 4 p.m. we went to Himalayan Tibet Museum. This is a hidden gem, I can say. From there we went to Mal area. From Chowk Bazaar, I bought some flask. You can bargain over there, and I found that Chowk Bazaar is much more better than the right now the Mal area, the market area. You can bargain in Chowk Bazaar. The quality is better, definitely. And from there I bought so many things, and even some veggies as well because I love this veggies. So there is an issue with this language because they are local people, so I don't know what is pav. So they are showing me the weighing scale. So this is pav, this is gram, like that. And from there we went to mall again, and then we went to Mohakal restaurant. From there we packed our dinner, and we came back to our hotel. Today we are leaving, and we had a plan that we will go to we will see Peace Pagoda, and after that Japanese temple and Old Ghum monastery. But as I said, the health issues are there, so we are okay, but we are not taking risks. So there is a change of plan. So directly from NGP, from Revolver, we are going to NGP directly. That is why we will leave around 10:30. Otherwise, we have to leave within 9 o'clock. So this is our Darjeeling tour, and I enjoyed a lot. And definitely few places we could not see, and I hope maybe I can come back again to visit this place. So signing off for today, and I enjoyed this journey, Darjeeling tour, a lot with my parents, mom and dad.